Hello, good morning, student. Today, the topic of our lecture is in our first lecture. I have explained you about the accounting of partnership. Accounting of partnership, and I have already given you the format of partnership, how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So today I am going to take a example. I will explain one question. There is a question is writing over here. It is the book problems questions of your book, chapter accounting of partnership. Now, I am going to start the question. First, I will read the question. I will explain you the question. The question is, Alok and Ashok are equal partner in a firm. Alok and Ashok are equal partner in firm. Their capitals are 20,000 and 16,000. Means the capital of Alok is 20,000. Respectively, what means? As the name is written over there, in the same way the capital will be like that. Now the Alok's capital is 20,000 and Ashok capital is 16,000. After that, Alok is entitled, sorry, not Alok, Ashok. Ashok is entitled to get a salary of rupees 600 per month. 600 per month means the Ashok salary will be 600 into 12 per month, means the yearly salary will be 600 into the 12. Now next, interest on capital is 6% per annum. Interest on capital is 6%. The profit of the firm was 12,000. Profit of the year is 12,000. Now what we have to prepare? Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. The profit and loss appropriation accounts format is already I have made here, that is particular amount debit and particular amount credit. Now I am going to start to solve the question. Now, first of all, the partners in a firm, their capital is 20,000 and 6,000. So, in my format, I have already told you, first of all, we have to, I am going to complete the credit side. First of all, what is the profit of the year? So, we will write here, by balance CD, and in bracket, we have to write profit. And what is the profit of the firm is? That is 12,000. So I will write over here 12,000. अब क्रेडिट साइड पे मैंने आपको बताया था कि सबसे पहले हमको क्वेश्चन में प्रॉफिट ऑफ द ईयर जो भी होगा, वट एवर इट इज, वी विल राइट ओवर हियर लाइक इन दिस वे. नाउ come to the next point in the debit side. Debit side, the first we have to write to interest on capital. Interest on capital. Now the name of the partners are Alok and Ashok. Now first of all we have to do the working note. Now the capital of the Alok is 20,000. What is the rate of interest on capital is? That is 6%. So we will write 6%. So 6, जब परसेंट निकालना होता है, you already know how to get the percentage. So 20,000 into 6 by 100. So 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, and 6 to the 12. That means the interest on capital of Alok is 1200. So we will write 1200 here. And in the same way, on 16,000 we have to calculate the interest on capital. So 16,000 into 6 by 100. 6 zeros are 0. 6 is 36 means 6, 3, 6 1 6 into 6 plus 3 9. It means interest on capital will be 960 for Ashok. So we will write 960 here. Now we have to add these two interest on capital and write over here in the main column of the amount. 0 6 1 2. 2 1 6 0 will be interest on capital for both the partners. Now what is left in the question? We have already written the profit. We have three information in the question. First, their interest on capital. Second, their salary, Ashok's salary, and in the same way profit. So we have entered already the profit and already the interest on capital. Now what is left? Only salary. So we will write whose salary is there? Ashok's salary. So to Ashok salary. And what is the information here? 600 per month. 600 per month means 600 into 12. This I am writing only to explain you how the amount is coming. Okay? And if you don't want to write here, so you can skip this process. Only 600 means 12. So here 600 into 12. 0 0 to 6 is 12. 0 0 2 6 plus 1 7 means 7200 is the yearly salary of the Ashok. The yearly salary, so that we will write here 7200. Here all the information which we have getting from the question we have mentioned here. Now how to close this account? This is the very important process of your chapter, and you have to, if you will, अगर आपने इसको माइन्यूटली समझा, इसको देखा और ये कंप्लीट करना, क्लोज करने का तरीका, अकाउंट को क्लोज करने का तरीका आपने सीख लिया, तो फिर आप क्वेश्चन, चैप्टर के सारे क्वेश्चन आप खुद ब खुद सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डू इट डायरेक्टली. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन हाउ टू क्लोज द अकाउंट. What is the total of this side? In my format, the most important point is here, in my format, which in our previous lecture I have already told you that if in the credit side only two entries are here, profit and interest on drawing. So there is no interest on drawing in the question, so we don't want to, there only we will total this 12,000. Credit side of the total is 12,000. Now in rough side we will make the total, and now we will total of this side 7272, and now in the rough I am going to give you 7200 plus 2160 063909360. The total of this, what is which amount is less? The credit side total is more and debit side total is less than the credit side. So now to make the balancing of the account, the balancing of the account is the most important process of every chapter. Now here is 12,000. In the same way we are going to make the balance the account. Okay, now the 12,000 I am going to tell you how to balance. We have to complete this total of this side. Now balance, so means 12,000 minus, what is the total of the debit side? 9360. 9360. 0 का 0, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11. 11 का 1, 2. Sorry, we have to make the minus. Now here 0. Out of 10, we will make a carryover from here. There is 10. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 3, 6, and 11 minus 9, 2. 2640 will be the balancing figure of T. To balance CD. To balance CD. Now our partner is Alok and Ashok. The balancing figure is 2640. Now the most important thing is that we have to distribute the profit. The profit of the year will be distributed in their partner sharing ratio. So what will be the partner sharing ratio? How we will know about where is the ratio is given over there? There is ratio given, but not in the ratio form. It is written over there. Alok and Ashok are the equal partner. Means whatever the profit, जो भी profit मिलेगा उसको वो बराबर बराबर बांटेंगे. Here in this question we have that 2640. So 2640 will be equally, so it will be divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 0. 1320. So we will write 1320. 1320. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. So read this, do it, and make practice.